Tunnels are incredible feats of engineering. They allow us to travel through mountains, under rivers, and even beneath bustling cities. Building these underground passages is a complex and challenging task. It requires careful planning, precise calculations, and the expertise of skilled engineers. From ancient aqueducts to modern subway systems, tunnels have played a crucial role in shaping our world. However, traditional tunneling methods can be slow, expensive, and sometimes risky. But what if we could make tunnel construction faster, safer, and more efficient? This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent systems. These systems can learn from data, adapt to new information, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. We already see AI in our daily lives, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars. Now, AI is revolutionizing the world of tunnel engineering. By harnessing the power of AI, we can design and build tunnels with greater precision, speed, and safety than ever before. So how does it work? AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of geological data, such as soil composition, rock formations, and groundwater levels. This data helps engineers create accurate three-dimensional models of the underground environment. With these models, they can identify potential challenges and optimize tunnel routes before construction even begins. One of the most remarkable applications of AI in tunneling is the use of AI-powered tunnel boring machines, or TBMs. These massive machines, often nicknamed moles, are equipped with sensors and cameras that collect real-time data about the surrounding environment. Safety is paramount in tunnel construction. AI is making tunnels safer for workers and the environment. AI systems can monitor various factors during tunnel excavation, including air quality, temperature, and vibrations. For example, AI can detect dangerous levels of gases like methane or carbon monoxide, alerting workers to evacuate immediately.